Bonnie Bianchi has been an extraordinary leader at Metro West Chamber of Commerce for several years now.
Bonnie Bianchi is so deserving of this award because she's one of those ladies that really is so special.
I have never actually known anyone like her. She is a collaborator. She can bring people together.
Bonnie has a soft approach so that in a meeting or in a discussion, people are comfortable to let their guard down.
Bonnie's professional quality has got to be her vision. She is a woman that can see things that the rest of us cannot.
I hate to say it, she's great at everything, and it's hard to find something that she's not great at, which is what makes her so outstanding. I actually have to say, if Bonnie Bianchi was running for President of the United States, I would be the first one on board for her campaign because she is that good at just about everything.
Bonnie takes the time in this quiet, soft, wonderful, caring way to get below the surface.
She cares about people so much. She loves people, and it's so evident in how she does her work every day.
She cares about people, she cares about making a difference, and she cares about being relevant.
She has a deep philosophy about how people deserve to be treated. I think her philosophy is to do all the good you can everywhere you can, anytime you can. And she does that.
Bonnie's personal quality has got to be her energy. She is a woman that just loves to bring new ideas to the chamber. And for all of those reasons, it's just so fun to work with Bonnie.
I just want to say to Bonnie, you are an inspiration to all of us, and congratulations.